Welcome back to GED Advanced Geometry. Take a slow breath and let's build this together one small step at a time. Today we use slope to compare two lines. Two lines can be parallel, running alongside each other forever, or perpendicular, crossing at a perfect right angle. Amazingly, we can tell which just by looking at their slopes. Let's learn the two simple rules. The first rule is easy. Parallel lines have exactly the same slope. They rise at the same rate, so they keep the same distance apart and never meet, as long as they have different y-intercepts. So if one line has slope -2, any line parallel to it also has slope -2. Same slope means same steepness, which means parallel. The second rule is the star of this session. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. That means two steps. Flip the fraction upside down and change the sign. The quick test is that the two slopes multiply to -1. Careful, perpendicular is not just the negative of the slope. You must both flip and change the sign. Let's work one slowly. A line has slope 2/3, and we want the slope of a perpendicular line. Step 1, flip the fraction. 2/3 becomes 3/2. Step 2, change the sign. 3/2 becomes -3/2. So the perpendicular slope is -3/2. Let's check. 2/3 times -3/2 is -1. Perfect. The product is -1, so they are perpendicular. On the GED, lines often come as equations in the form y = mx plus b, where m is the slope. To compare two lines, just read their m values. For a line parallel to y = -3x plus 1, you need slope -3. So y = -3x minus 8 works. For a line perpendicular to y = 1/2 x plus 4, flip and negate the 1/2 to get -2. So y = -2x plus 7 works. One special case is worth memorizing. A horizontal line and a vertical line are always perpendicular. They meet at a perfect right angle, like the corner of a page. This is the one perpendicular pair where the multiply to -1 rule does not apply, because a vertical line has an undefined slope. Just remember, flat and straight up always make a right angle. Before we finish, let's dodge the three most common traps. First, perpendicular slope is not just the negative of the slope. You must also flip the fraction. Second, do not forget that flip. The reciprocal is essential. And third, do not confuse the y-intercept with the slope. Only the m value decides parallel or perpendicular. These small habits protect a lot of easy points. Excellent work today. You can now tell whether two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither just from their slopes. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, write it out this way. Given information, then formula, then substitution, then the answer with units. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED geometry questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in the next session on linear equations and graphing. Keep going, you are doing great.